Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Kamrul. In this video I will show you how to create a slider using free plugins. So let's get started. So if you are a first visitor in my channel, so please subscribe my channel. You will get more video about WordPress, Elementor, DB and other page builders and other function. So let's I login in my WordPress dashboard, and just after login your dashboard, just go to the plugin and click add new. So search in the search box, just right here smart slider. You will get this plugin in the description box, so you can download it and upload in your website from upload plugin. So but you can use from the search box, and it will be very easy. So I already installed this plugin. After install it and click active. This plugin is 927 review, 5-star review and 7 lakh active installation. So this is a comfortable to use latest WordPress version, just last updated 4 weeks ago. So it's a very good slider plugin. So after install and activate the plugin, you will get the left side in the plugin option, the smart slider. So just click in the dashboard to activate the plugin, and you will see this windows. Here is the tutorial how to getting started. You can see this video, but you can ignore it. Go to the dashboard, and this is the tutorial slider, how you can make a beautiful slider from scratch. So you can see this video. But we will create a slider from this default template. Just click new project. Here's two options, just create a new project and start with a template. So we will use now a template. Just click here, and you will see this lots of default template here available. This is some free and some pro templates. So if you buy the pro version, you can use the pro template, but we will use today some free template here. There's almost 8-9 lots of free template available. So we use one slider. So this is free thumbnail slider, free static, this is single only, free layer slider, free video slider, free security block, free traveler block, free marketplace, free caption slider, free full width, free auto playing thumbnail, and free feature slider, image slider. So we will use this slider. You can use anyone. You can check everything, every free plugin is available. Gradient slider, but nice slider. So you can use it. Okay, import it. Just click import it here. Join the smart slider 3 community. If you want to join this community, so just put your email and subscribe. You will get this latest tutorial tips and a lot of things. So we don't subscribe it, just click cross button. This slider imported. So this beautiful slider imported complete. After it already saved, now we will use this slider in our website. Just go to the bottom and you will see the shortcut option. You can use the this shortcut, copy and paste this shortcut into your post or page. You can use this slider in your post and page. Page and post. Smart Slider 3 has integration with Gutenberg, Classic Editor, Elementor, DB, Beaver Builder, Visual Composer, WP Page Builder. PHP code, you can use this code in your PHP theme file. This code, just if you want to just adjust with your theme, and the bottom side this name you can use right here, this slider name, thumbnail, this image and area label slider. Okay, slider design normal, left, center, right, and margin. Okay, we don't need it. Just copy this shortcut after editing. So now this is a demo content. If you want to change the, so you will use your own content, just click edit option. Okay, we get this editing option. Now the latest project free full with slider. This is a demo content. You can change, just click here, latest project, and the right side you will see this label, right, latest project. This is our first slider. Okay, you can use this link, any link here, or we don't need it. Just after it change it, all time just click save. Okay, we change the second line, free full slider, full smart slider. So you can change all text from here, and this is the download, this is the button, call to action button. You can change the link from here. Okay, in the left side you will see this, you can, if you want to, just more option in the slider, you can check it, this add layer, row, heading, text, image, button, video option, YouTube video option, Vimeo video option. So you can use any other widget for use a slider. So just drag and drop. So very easy use. So I delete it. Here is library. You will see this some template, maybe header. This is a beautiful template, media template, header, feature, content, testimonial, team, product. Okay, you can use one of them in your slider, so it's very easy to use. Okay, oh, it is since we used this in our slider, it's already since. But if you don't want to use it, just click undo. Okay, we already back in our previous slider. This is a row and button option, image, text, heading. Okay, just you can change this background color from here. This is a gradient slider, this slider name gradient slider. This is image, just select here and upload the image. You can use any image from here. Okay, just our previous is the very nice image, we don't change it, just use it from first time. So just after change it all image and text, just click save and go to back. This first slider editing, then second slider, then third slider. After all editing, you will just copy this shortcode and go to your website, click paste and add new. Now I create this home smart slider, publish, and click edit with Elementor. You can use any kind of page builder, Visual Composer, DB, Bevel Builder, Gutenberg. So all page builder compatible this slider plugin. So just on the left side search and shortcode and drag and drop. Just paste this shortcode and paste the shortcode here. After update, click update. Now change preview change. So you will see this beautiful slider here. This is almost responsive slider, very nice slider. So you can use this this type beautiful any kind of slider with this free plugin. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. You will get more video about this, about WordPress. So thank you.